up, everybody? Welcome back to Colorful Analyst channel. I'm super excited you are here. In the previous video, we managed a category product, and then, as you may see at the end of the table, we have high value. That is not normal in the one table. What's the meaning of the total high? We have a medium also. We would like to remove that. How is possible? We use the if function and has one value function. If function is a conditional branching or evaluation that allows you to have two value, two possibility for the false and true, and has one value is in the category of information DAX functions that allow you that to, in the case of the category has a value, show the result or not. Let's dive into the arrange the measure based on remove that high. So was for last video. Just as I want to keep it this one, I create another measure. Of course, we should name it because we cannot have the two same name. So we say if has one value, but in the because we use a dimension of a dimension product, dime product, uh, English product name. So in this case, we have the if condition has one value and it should be in the case of the true. Then run that DAX measure. Not if not, show us the blank. So far, so good. We will go to test it. And refresh. As you may see, we don't have any high here. That would be much nicer and meaningful for end user. Thanks for watching the video, and please come back for the next DAX measures. We have a fun together. Bye for now.